What if an asteroid hit Earth in 2025? If an asteroid were to hit Earth in 2025, it would depend on the size of the asteroid and where it hits. For example, if it's a really big asteroid, say about 6 miles or 10 kilometers in diameter, it would be a cataclysmic event, obviously, because that's big enough to cause mass extinction, like with the dinosaurs. And if it were to happen today, it would completely disrupt our global civilization. So much for 2025 being the year of the technological revolution, eh? But the good news is that, according to NASA, an asteroid that big is not going to happen anytime soon. In fact, NASA says that there's only about a 1 in 1 million chance that something that big will hit us in the next 100 years. So that's not very likely. However, if it were to happen, one of the first things that you and your family should do is get out of town, get away from the city. The impact would cause massive destruction, and a lot of people would die. So you want to get away from the gridlock and the chaos. Go somewhere quiet, where you can be And if you're wondering how likely it is that an asteroid would hit us, it's actually more likely than you think. In fact, every year there are thousands of asteroids that come close to hitting us. But the good news is that most of them are small, like only about 33 feet or 10 meters wide. And even if they were bigger, they usually break up in the atmosphere before they reach the ground. So don't worry too much about an asteroid hitting us in 2025. But it's always good to be prepared. Could we block an asteroid? So could we actually stop an asteroid from hitting Earth? Well, it's possible, but it would take a lot of time and effort. If we knew about the asteroid far enough in advance, we could use powerful rockets to try and redirect it. This has been done before, like with the DART mission, where a spacecraft was launched to smash into an asteroid and try and change its course. It's not easy and it's not cheap, but it is possible. Another option would be to use nuclear weapons to try and vaporize the asteroid before it hits us. But this is not a very nice option, because the explosion would cause a lot of damage, and it would also create a lot of radioactive fallout. Ultimately, though, the best option would be to just hope that an asteroid doesn't hit us anytime soon. Do you think an asteroid will hit Earth in 2025? Let me know in the comments below.